Small fleets often face significant challenges on a day-to-day basis due to limited staff, heavy workloads, and long hours. But a good fleet management software can help you fill in the gaps with helpful automation. The idea of automating your fleet may sound a little lofty if you've been functioning with paper forms and manual data entry, but with fleet management software, your fleet could reap some of the benefits of a larger, more resourced operation. Here are a few of the biggest advantages of fleet automation for small fleets. Number 1, better time management. Automation gives you more time back in your day by streamlining daily processes. With things like digital inspections, issue alerts, and auto-generated work orders, you can get vehicles in and out of the shop faster with fewer paper trails. And all of your fleet data will be organized, which means you'll have a reliable service history and you don't have to call around to figure out the status of a vehicle. For example, using Fleetio's maintenance automations, energy supplier SmartWatt was able to reduce time spent on vehicle maintenance by half, decreasing their maintenance cost by 48%. Number 2, increase productivity and efficiency. Automation helps improve productivity in several areas of fleet, from immediate notifications on failed inspection items to live updates on work orders that reduces the bottleneck of getting the assets back on the road. Improving things like responsiveness and communication, all through an automated process. Fleetio customer Zero Res Atlanta saw its time spent on inspections reduced by 65%, as well as a $3,500 reduction in hourly maintenance costs. They also reduced unexpected downtime and improved their route fulfillment by a whopping 99%. Number 3, more uptime. With a more productive maintenance process enabled by automation, you'll be able to keep your vehicles on the road more frequently, without the constant threat of unplanned breakdowns. All this automation helps foster proactive maintenance habits by allowing you to set PM schedules either by individual vehicles or in bulk, and customize those schedules based on OEM recommendations, mileage, vehicle age, or other criteria specific to your fleet. Using Fleetio's inspection automations, AAA Oregon, Idaho saw a decrease in its inspection failure rate to less than 0.25%, giving its fleet an optimal performance metric. And number 4, easy calculation of TCO. Calculating the TCO for your fleet assets is time-consuming if you're doing it manually, and you can automate this with fleet management software. To immediately calculate your running TCO based on all of the vehicle data it has, which means in real time, you can see where you might need to cut costs, replace vehicles, or work to maximize ROI. Fleet maintenance software allows fleets of all sizes to gain in-depth insight into the health and performance of their fleet with automated workflows, customizable dashboards, and easy-to-use mobile interfaces. To experience all the benefits of Fleetio's maintenance automations, sign up for a 14-day free trial or schedule a guided walkthrough at fleetio.com/demo.